Hey guys, Will from Coaster Dad here, back at my house, back at the shop. Okay, all right, let me show you what I've been up to. Here is the new, if you think back to Abraham's where we tested the steel cart the last time, we had a couple of mishaps, didn't work out so well. Back to the drawing board. I have worked maybe 40 hours, not like almost 2 days, but actual 40, maybe 50 labor hours building this. So here's this, right? These are the new, I don't even know what version number we're on for cart wheels anymore, but here's the new cart wheels, all right? Wheel assemblies. You'll see that they're decoupled now, so that's it's not wheels running across one axle, they're individual parts. There's two main wheels, two side stop wheels. If you look at it really close, you'll see that the side stop wheels lead and trail the mains a little bit. And the idea that I had was that it would help with steering. You'll also see that I've got really big, wide longboard, I think those are like 77 millimeter longboard wheels for the mains, the orange ones, and they straddle the rails really well, right? The other thing that allowed me to do was, you see that they're, if you look close, you'll see that the mains and the side stop wheels, the steering wheels, if you want to call them that, they contact the track kind of all the time, right? And so they're in contact, they grab hold a little bit more. The two wheels are more stable, and then this wheel assembly is really heavy. I actually made it out of my neighbor's ex-garage door opener. This was the I-beam that used the garage door opener, and so I chopped that up and made it into that. What else can I tell you about this? It pivots. The wheels go up and down, so when the cart encounters a hill, it banks, it pitches up, and then they steer individually. Each wheel set steers individually. And this is kind of test mode. I'm going to make this a little bit fancier, maybe put some bearings and bushings and stuff like that. I'm going to go for a ride. I'll sit you back here so you can see down the track, and we'll just like do the whole thing. Now, remember that the cart doesn't weigh very much at this point, right? It's got no payload, and the way energy works, the way kinetic energy works, is it's the height above the ground and the weight of the cart. Those are the things that matter. And so what I'll do is I'll roll you up to the top of this hill, and I'm just going to cut you loose. And you can see that even with a really light cart, I think you're going to have a pretty nice ride. So good luck. This is the tippity top of the track. I'm going to cut you loose from here. These work. I'm going to build two more for the back, and then we're going to have a truly four-wheel independently suspended cart with lots and lots of wheels on it. There's still no upstop wheels, so as a passenger you're kind of in danger right now, but it's only virtual, so you're not in real danger. But anyway, enjoy the ride. Good luck. Okay, so that's the ride for the day. Watch, this is my favorite part. Watch how they steer individually, right? So each is following its own particular curve of the track, right? And so this one is turning sharper than this one because this is not a sharper turn. So it's really sweet. I'm really proud of these, and I really love this. I really love this. That's kind of why I'm not ending this video as soon as I should. So anyway, that's the haps. Look at that bad boy. When this thing is finished, it is going to be crazy fast. So stay tuned. I'm like working like crazy to get it done. I'm working as hard as I can. So stay tuned. Let's take one more ride before we go. See you soon.